Time to open the wallet. Works, I guess. It's not working. It's not working. Don't pull me off. Okay. Got it. I got it. I got it. Got it. Oh. $24. Three large eggs. 3 large eggs. We have 134. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, 135. Wash our hands. Wash our hands. Oh, medium fast. Yeah, I am. It's next week. Here's Mama said. Alright. So I want to read this.
Alright, you see that? Focus, 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 focus. Okay, it's not focusing. So, we inch pan. So we bake. You can't see it. 23 to 28 minutes. Not.
Alright, let's go with the last little one. Okay, you do that. I don't like the toast.
In the meantime, let's watch some pictures that we're going to finish up.
They can try if they want to. What pizza's a bit raw. Took like jigsaw and built it all. Despite a big loss.
To blend the icing, make it blue for our river.
In other colors that might help?
Yeah. And then I'm going to crush Titty Graham to look like sand. That's good, that's good.
No, we want a blue. That's what I know. Oh, there you go. Use that other hand. Use that other hand. Now we are doing another color called green. Green. And
Sand.
this blue is not looking like a river. I'm putting more. I'm like legit saying a word. Like I'm just good at everything. On my first try. I mean, so easy. I don't like the white ones. You can have my white ones.
You got for it right now. 5 minutes. Second.
1 minute. And lick the whole spoon without sharing.
You get the whole bowl.
Stick my hand. So lemon. Thank you.
That's extremely rude.
Chopsticks. I think they're called chopsticks. Are these called chopsticks? Does this look like a river yet? What'd you just do?
Like Marvin?
Marvin?
Just like he's laying on top.
Panda's the best machine on earth.
Judging?
Stupid say what?
What?
I just said stupid say what.
So no, you text. And you
That scared me. That horrified. Just playing on your bag.
She loves me.
That's